In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the window belt molding on this Toyota Tacoma. It sits right at the bottom of the window and is also the window seal actually from the outside. So let's get started. To get this out, usually on these older vehicles, they're a little loose already, so all you need is a trim tool. They do make special belt molding tools that you stick in here and pull up. If you have one of those and want to use it, go ahead. Just make sure you don't scratch up your window. I'm just going to use this plastic trim tool from the outside and pop it up. There we go. At this point, pull it out. Take a rag or blow some compressed air here and just wipe off all of the sand and debris that has built up over the years in here. That way you can start with a nice clean surface when you mount the new belt molding on. Also pull up the seal here. We will have to move it out of the way anyway. So now with everything cleaned up, you want to take your new one and you'll see these little cutouts on the door here with holes on the back side. That is going to have to line up with the new mounting clips. So position it approximately where it's going to go, and then you're going to want to slide these into their position so that they line up with the points where it attaches. That way you can actually clip it on and it'll stay secured. At this point, you're going to have to slide it in and behind the mirror on the front here. On the bottom or on underneath, there is a metal reinforcement here along the entire piece. That metal reinforcement needs to kind of go over and pinch the door. So you want to basically synchronize all of this down, in, line it up. That's going to be the only way to get this installed right. Looks like my clip here is not quite lined up, so I'm going to fix that. There we go. Wiggling it back and forth is going to be the easiest way to get it in and behind the mirror. Well, if you're having a lot of trouble sliding it in here, you can add a little bit of silicone paste or any sort of grease that is rubber friendly. You don't want to damage this surface. Now, pull this seal up carefully. You don't want to tear it. And make sure all the clips are lined up. The white tab that sticks out past the belt molding needs to go in and behind this lip. All three of them. And once that is in place, you should be able to just press this down and you'll hear it lock in. And if something's not lined up, check the back of the seal here. Everything has to kind of line up at the same time. There we go. All right, that's in. Resecure this, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.